Cluck Cluck Chicken Lady here. I just stopped in down here to let the chickens out and visit for a second. They're kind of congregating around me, wondering if I got a donut. No, I don't have donuts today. I'm just visiting. So it looks like somebody put half the hay down. That'll have to get done soon. By the time it gets done, this hay will need to be redone. Oh well. There's Cock and BJ. Oh my gosh, I just realized how horrible some of the names sound. Bojangles is BJ. I call her BJ. I don't have donuts, guys. I'm sorry. We got Kez, Chick, and Meryl Cheap over there. They're in the big coop now. Yeesh. That's Bobby. His comb is healing nicely, finally. I'm pretty sure CD was the one beating up on Bobby. I seen it once. What happened to his comb happened when I wasn't out here. Come on, Henny Bear. There's Henny Bear, the mom-to-be of, like, I think it's 9. You know, I was looking, I think that my little bantams, oh, by the way, some of the other little bantams, because they're new in here, they're kind of hiding. Meryl Cheap and Kez are the brave ones. Hey, BJ. Hey, BJ. That are roaming. And Derry, actually, who is going to be a bantam rooster, is roaming. He is a roamer. By the way, that's Cock's crow. That's a good crow, Cock. I like that one. I don't know which one it is. I don't know which one it is, but I have one down here that sounds like a horse when it crows. I laugh every time I hear it. So I've got an under the coop spot over here in the little area that connects to the coop, and that's where almost always when I introduce chickens, that's where the new chickens will just hang out and hide until they get comfortable being in here. Oh, I left the radio on in my Jeep. I just heard some bass. Yes. But yeah, some work's definitely got to get done down here, and unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to do it anytime soon. Look at that, there's grass coming up in your run. I've never seen grass come up in this run because they always eat it. That's interesting. I've always wanted grass to come up in this run. That's why I want another run on the other side so I can alternate them. That is something that we've got plans for. We just never got around to doing it. It will get done though. Even if I have to hire somebody. Alright, well, cluck. That was a chicken update. I'm getting ready to let all the free rangers out.